In this lecture, you will learn how you can resolve the overdefined sketch in SOLIDWORKS. There are three methods. First is using the sketch expert. Second is using the display delete relation options. And third is making a specific dimension as driven. So here you can see we have a sketch that is overdefined. You can see in the status bar that this is the overdefined sketch. So double click on the overdefined tab. Now we have opened the sketch expert tool. Press on the diagnose button. So the sketch expert is offering the solutions, total 13 solutions to make this sketch fully defined. This is the first solution, that it is saying that you have to delete this constellations. No. This is the second solution, not accepted to us. You can see third solution can be considered. It is saying that this line and this line, these both lines are collinear. If we want to delete this collinear relations, our sketch may be resolved. Let's check. Okay, accept this solution. Solution number 3. You can see the message, the sketch can now find a valid solution. Okay. Here you can see on the tab that our sketch is fully defined. But in actually, we want, you can see that this dimension is additional. And also, these dimensions might need to be removed. So instead of deleting the collinear relations between these two lines, we have to delete these dimensions. So undo your solution. Again go to the sketch expert, click on the diagnose. So go to the next solution, solution number 4, that is saying that if we delete these vertical relations, we can also make our sketch fully defined. No, we want to keep these relations. Similarly, this is, we don't want to delete this horizontal relations because this line is horizontal. So solution 5 is also not accepted. Similarly, this line is also vertical. We don't want to remove this vertical relations. Also this horizontal relations also to be needed. You can see the distance. If we delete the distance of 8 mm, our sketch can be fully defined. But actually, we want to keep these dimensions in our drawing because this is the height of this sketch. And we also want to keep this 160 relations, 160 dimensions. Now you can see the distance of 55 mm, that is solution number 10, can be removed. So we accept these options. Okay. You can see now our sketch is fully defined. So this is the first method. And now undo again, and second method is using this display delete relations. Here just from the relations sketch, select the overdefining or not solved. We can check, we don't want to delete these relations. This is the horizontal relation for this line. This is horizontal relation for this line. Similarly, this is the vertical relation for this line. Vertical relation for this line. and these both lengths are collinears. Now go to the distance. We want to keep this 80 millimeter. Also we want to keep 160 millimeter. Here is the distance, that is 55 millimeter. Yes, we can remove this distance. Just delete it. Okay. You can see now that our sketch is fully defined. So using the display delete relations, we can resolve our sketch from overdefined to fully defined sketch. And in the last, there is third option, that making a dimension as driven. A driven dimension is that has no effect on the sketch geometry, but we want to keep it as a reference in the drawings. Okay, just undo again. Now this is our third options. In order to make our dimensions, here we again have an overdefined sketch. We want to make this dimension of 55 millimeter as driven. In order to make our dimensions driven, just bring the cursor here. Now you can see the color of this dimension has been changed. Now right click and make this dimension driven. Select this one. Okay. So you can see the dimensions has been made as driven. You can see all other dimensions here, and this is the 55 we have made it driven, and our sketch again is fully defined. So in this way, today we learned how to make an overdefined sketch as a fully defined, making with these three methods. Thank you for watching. Join our SOLIDWORKS advanced level course on Udemy that is clear, to the point, affordable and trusted by students with great feedback. Don't stay average. Click the link now to enroll in our SOLIDWORKS course on Udemy.